If you're looking to drop viral vocal tracks, professional narrations, or unique voice swaps in literally seconds, you need to see this. Meet TopMedia AI, the ultimate all-in-one auditory engine. This tool is a complete game changer. You can generate full-scale audio pieces from just a text prompt, clone any voice on the planet, and transform your own speech into something totally different. The best part? You don't need any professional studio gear or advanced editing skills to make it sound flawless. It's lightning fast, it's dummy-proof, and it's built for creators. Whether you're making content for clients, building your brand, or trying to blow up on social media, everything you produce is yours to use, completely royalty-free on their paid plans. Ready to grab the secret deal? Let me show you how to lock in your discount right now. First, pause this video and head straight to the description. You'll see a special link labeled Top Media AI Official Link Plus Discount. Give that a tap. It's going to take you directly to the site so you can start creating like a pro for a fraction of the cost. Let's get it.
Create your free account or sign up. Now, go to the pricing or upgrade page to choose your plan. In the description, you'll also find your invitation code. Copy that invite code exactly as it appears. On the checkout or sign up page, look for a box that says invitation code or referral code. Paste the code there, click apply, and you'll instantly unlock the invited user discount. Next, below the invite code in the description, you'll see a coupon code for extra savings. Copy that coupon code. At payment, find the field that says coupon code or promo code, paste the coupon, and hit apply. You'll see your price drop again, invitation discount plus extra coupon discount. Click pay and enjoy Top Media AI with maximum savings.